Hi viewers, welcome back to my tutorial. After a long time, today in this tutorial, I brought something new for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create ID card in Adobe Illustrator. So for ID card, just information required and pick up candidates and its artboard size. So these things are necessary for ID card. There is nothing. So this tutorial is simple. Beginners can follow step by step. First, I am going to show you which ID card I am going to create in today's tutorial. So let's go to our tutorial. Yes, viewers, we are on screen. So first we have to take two artboards. Each artboard size is 26 pixel width and 46 pixel height. So both artboards I took. First one is front of the ID card and second one is the back of the ID card. So now let's come to our design or our ID card. First, I come here. I will take rectangle tool, then draw on the artboard. Then I will press dark color like this. Then I just copy it and place here. Place here. Okay. Place it. So then, sorry, actually what I want to resize it. It's drawing a little bit problem. Now it's okay. So again, I will select rectangle tool. I select it. Then I will give white color here. Okay. Then I select direct selection tool. I select these two corners. Yes, these two. Then see this circle, small circle. Just drag it. Drag it. Okay. So now I copy this. Come to transform. Reflect here. Open preview. Just copy it horizontal. Place here. Now our design is like good. Our design is better. So remember one thing. What happened? It's okay. Then I select ellipse tool. Same it. Then place here. What's happening? Place here. Then Control C and Control F copy. I copy this. Copy it. Copy it. Then here I will give, sorry, there I don't give any color. Just I drag this image, select both. Front ellipse tool, you have to select it. Picture plus front ellipse tool. You have to select both, then press right click, make clipping mask. Clipping mask, then come to layer. Layer where is our clipping mask? Here. Just select picture. Now I want to do just scene picture like this. That's good. So I forgot one thing. Which thing? Now I'm going to, I am telling you. First I want Control Z, select both, drag it here. Then again select ellipse tool. Sorry, just wait. Control C and Control F. And select both. I think our tutorial is a little bit boring, but don't worry. It will be good. Don't worry. Simply I select color picker. Select this. Okay. Then select both. Select shape builder tool and press Alt. Then drag here. Drag here. Then little bit you have to drag right and left. Drag right and left. Then simply do it. Okay, so now I will take picture and place here. Sorry. Place here, then press right click, come to arrange, bring in front tool. Okay, so now it's good. Then select pen tool. Here I want to draw simple one shape. I want to draw it. There I will put white color. Then select curvature tool. Here select it little bit, drag it here. Then copy, Control C and Control what? I want to back its copy. Paste in back, Control B. Then little bit drag it. You have to drag it like this. Then select this color. Sorry. What happened? I think I don't copy clearly. Copy and paste in back. Our tutorial is too long. So this topic is place interesting and some place boring. Okay, so now it's like a better good. There I want to draw simple one design and drag it here. Simply drag it. Okay, so now come to there again I will take pen tool, draw one design. I want to draw it. There I will fill which color? White, and select curvature tool, select it, and there I will fill this color. Okay, so now come to the text. First I will place logo. Simply place it here, and I will place text. You can take text already, because the reason is that in tutorial it takes huge time, so that's why already I took text. So now I will replace these colors, because the thing is that our logo can't place here, that's why. Now I place it here. Okay, then bring this text into front. Now good. Now our ID card is good. It seems like a better. It seems like a quality level. This is a demo text. You know, in every what you can say, in every ID card it's available. So our ID card is ready now. See? Yes, viewers, this is my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed. If you are new on my tutorial on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press notification button. Then you will receive my information. If you follow me on my social media account, links are available on description box. So this is for today. Bye bye.